beautiful day out here. I'm just gonna clean my truck. Nothing else to do. Oh, man, I gotta get all these areas. Wait a second, do you hear that? What is that? What is that? What's up, man? That's a good looking truck, boy.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, man. It's making a lot of noise, a lot of racket. What you think?
We need to put it to some tests.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah.
What are you thinking? Hook a rope to it and see if that thing is. I think my truck is more stronger.
One way to find out.
So what advantage do you have in this truck that I don't have in that truck?
It's tuned. It has a big exhaust, more power, more airflow.
Yeah, I mean, what good is that gonna do to it? I mean, look how high it is. At least mine has the lower center of gravity. It has 410 rear gears. Yours has only 373 gears in it. Mine looks better. It's got wider front tires. Hey, what are you laughing at? All right, bro. So what do you think? How do you think this truck is gonna match up to that? 410 rear gears. I mean, that's a high output Cummins.
The only advantage I have is the DUALLY.
That's the only advantage. Exactly. That's what I thought.
I guess.
Let's do a little walk around. I don't even know what size tires these are. What I put on here.
Oh, 20s on 37s. So
20s on 37s.
Got a
Isn't that kind of small? I got 22s.
I got a 6.5 inch lift.
Does this thing even tow anything?
No.
I mean, no? I didn't think so.
Pavement Princess, bro.
Pavement Princess?
We'll check it out here in a minute.
What is this thing? A 3500?
Yes, 3500. Mega cab.
Dang, are these tires even designed for this thing? All right, boys. Now what we're about to do is check out my truck. Yeah. So what you got to say about it? Huh?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice truck. I know.
Nice truck.
What else?
Like it. I like the tires. I like the setup.
You like the tires?
Oh yeah.
35s,
22s,
22s, 12 and a half wide. Yeah.
there's a 4.5 inch lift.
4.5 inch lift, tough country. What else? I'm trying to figure out the angle. It's got a Cummins in it, 6.7 liter.
410 gears.
410 gears, high output Cummins, 800 foot-pounds of torque, Longhorn.
All right, enough talking. Let's hit the pavement.
All right, so what do you think? Let's go ahead and get the strap put on these trucks and maybe see if we can see which one's got more power.
I like that idea.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So you got the strap? Is this all you brought? This should get the job done, right? Let's see. how many pounds? 7,000 pound working load limit. All right, let's get this done. How we doing this? Oh, we gotta do like this right here. Dang, you all professional. Wrap around. Wrap it one more time. Think this is gonna work?
One way to find out. Shoot.
Yeah, there you go. Come on. Dang, dude, you can pull this thing by yourself.
Let's send it.
I thought this was supposed to work. I thought this was 7,000 pound.
No, man, it's 700 pounds.
You not have a bigger strap? Dang, son, there we go. It's a big boy.
You gonna use this one? This one should get the job done, right?
Take this shit. Are you going the right way? Don't fit.
We're gonna cut this off.
I need to cut it off.
Just so
You
it's
got
not
more
in the way.
chain, more save weight.
So it's not in the way.
Oh, I think it'll be all right. Just wrap it around, give it a good wrap. Crisscross. How do you tie?
Something like this.
Dang, so you know everything.
We'll let it hang.
Gotta let it hang.
Yeah. And if this hits the truck, then.
Alright, so clearly his truck has way more power than my truck, and I'm a little outgunned here in my little single rear wheel truck. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to drop this truck in 4-wheel drive low. Say what?
We need to try it again.
Why?
Because you had 4x4 on.
How did you know? Dadgummit, he got me. What you say, bro? What happened? What happened? Why that sad face? I am safe to say that this truck, it doesn't matter if you got big old monster 37 wide double axle, I mean not double axle, dual rear wheels. If you have single, I'm telling you, bro, it's all about that gear ratio. Just because you got more power, that don't mean nothing. What?
Huh?
What you think?
Speechless.
Speechless?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. I win. Yeah, see, as you can see, I'm happy. This guy's not so happy.
What? Why are you smiling?
Why? Because I won again.
You didn't win.
What do you mean I didn't
You
win?
had it in 4x4 again.
No, I didn't. That was two-wheel drive all the way, baby.
Well, we need to try it again.
Again?
Again.
Where? Why? We just did. Alright, so that is a wrap officially on today's video of the tug-of-war. What do you think?
I think I'm disappointed.
Disappointed?
Yes.
Talk louder because that exhaust is a little bit noisy. I'm disappointed in this dually. You thought you were going to get a better outcome? Of course. I figured with the dual rear tires, I would have dragged you up this hill. Shoot, man. But that's crazy though, man, how that truck, that little truck back there, pulled this dually. I mean, heck, I didn't want to drag him all the way out into the street, you know, because
He didn't want to embarrass the dually.
yeah. So we got a little surprise for y'all next. What do you think?
I think we need a...
Who do you think is gonna win this one? You think it's gonna be fair game? A fair match?
Yes, it'll be a fair match. Single wheel versus single wheel.
That's what's up. Alright, we'll catch you guys next time. I'm gonna buckle up for safety, just in case. We're